All right, last but not least, how do we complete the square, so to speak, for parabolas? So remember that numbers 30 and 36 are your parabolas on your identifying conics page, the last page of your foldable. So those are the two we're going to look at right now. And what we want to do is group the x's together. And we're going to end up completing the square there. And then move everything else over to the other side. Okay. Remember, we will be adding something there first. What we add, hopefully you've done this enough times now that you have it memorized. We add b over 2 squared. So in this case, we're adding negative 8 over 2 squared to both sides. And I'm out of room there, but hopefully you can get the idea. So that's 4 squared, which is 16. Okay. This side will factor. So what multiplies to get 16 but adds to get negative 8? Well, that's negative 4 and negative 4. And I'm going to write that as x minus 4 squared. This side becomes 2y plus 2 because negative 14 plus 16 is 2. And then I look, what do they have in common that I can factor out, or Miss Reidner's favorite made-up word, undistribute? That would be 2. And I would be left with y plus 1. And there's my parabola. Okay. And the last one is the same, except this time I'm grouping y's together and adding something. And moving the x's over. So the nice thing about parabolas is that I only have to complete the square. Sorry, word escaped me completely. Once. So what am I adding? 6 over 2 squared. Well, that's 9 to both sides. Alright, this side's going to factor as y plus 3 because 3 and 3 adds to get 6. 3 and 3 multiplies to get 9. And then I get negative 12x plus 60. Notice the negative 12 there will factor out to the front. And that will leave me with x minus 5 because negative 12 times negative 5 is positive 60. And that is my final answer. And that concludes parabolas.